day. Thank you for calling BTEC Fine Dining Restaurant. This is Ruela speaking. How may I help you?
I just want to have a table reservation.
Before anything else, may I know who is on the line?
Rebek May A. Burayag.
Could you spell your surname for me, please?
Buryag.
Thank you for that information, Miss Burayat. Okay, ma'am. May I know which date and time would you like to make your reservation?
There's an available at December 25th at 5 p.m.
Thank you. A table for how many?
for 8 person.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me just one moment, Miss Burayat. I will check available table for today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for waiting, and I would like to tell you that we have an available table your preferred time that day. May I ask what is would prefer location? Is it smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
Are you celebrating a particular occasion?
Yes.
May I know what type of table Miss Briya would like?
Just a regular dinner.
May I know your special request, ma'am, or any concern?
Nothing.
Okay, ma'am. By the way, may I know your contact number so we can contact you for this reservation?
Sure. 091234 5.
Okay, Miss Brayag, may I repeat the table reservation detail? A table for tonight at December 25 at 5 p.m. in the name of Miss Brayag. And your telephone number is 091234 5. Is that detail correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Anything else, ma'am?
Nothing.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for calling and trusting BTEC Fine Dining Restaurant. We hope to see you on December 25 at 5 p.m. Have a great day and goodbye.